Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite Puerto Rican dipping sauces, Mojo de Ajo, aka garlic sauce. This recipe is incredibly easy and requires just 3 simple ingredients: garlic, olive oil, and lime juice, plus some spices if you'd like, and it is perfect for serving alongside tostones, grilled meats, fish, and so much more. Let me show you how I make mine. Okay, so as I said earlier, we are just using 3 simple ingredients, and the first one is oil. I've seen different family members make this with different kinds of oil, but I like to use olive oil, mostly because the oil is a main ingredient in this sauce, and I find that olive oil is just a better alternative to canola or vegetable oil. But feel free to use whatever oil you want. So for about a half cup of oil, I'm adding in 24 cloves of garlic, which is about 2 heads. As a garlic lover, I find the more the better, and I don't think you'd be making this sauce if you weren't a garlic lover. So yeah, mince your 2 heads of garlic and then add them to the oil. You want the oil to be heated to about medium heat when you add the garlic. You don't want it to burn, you just want it to start to simmer. And then I like to lower the heat a bit before adding in my lime juice. And we're just gonna let everything simmer on that medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Your kitchen should start to smell like garlic at this point. It should be very fragrant. And you could just stop here, but I like to add my seasonings at this point. I keep it super simple with just salt and pepper, but I've also seen people use sazon or oregano here. It's completely up to you how you'd like to season this. But at this point, you are all done. You can turn the heat off once you've mixed in those spices. And I do like to let this cool before I use it. You can actually store this in a jar in your fridge for up to 5 days. And then my favorite place to serve these is, of course, with some tostones, but it also goes really well with any kind of seafood, steak, with chicken, fish. If you give this a try, definitely let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Buen provecho!